This is a brand new 2013 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, an electronic throttle, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
DCH Academy Honda is conveniently located at 1101 US Highway 9 North in Old Bridge. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us at dchacademyhonda.com.